Have you ever felt that sting when you look at your trading profits, only to see a good chunk eaten away by high spreads? It's like you've just run a tough race, but a big slice of your prize money gets deducted, right? Well, don't worry, because today, we're going to find a solution together. I've spent some time researching, and I'm excited to share my top 3 US Forex brokers for 2025 with incredibly attractive spreads, helping you keep more of your hard-earned cash. Before we dive into the details, I just want to quickly touch on why spreads are so important. Simply put, the spread is the cost you pay for every trade. The lower the spread, the closer your break-even point is, and the easier it is to turn a profit. This is especially significant if you trade frequently. Saving even a little on each trade can make a huge difference in the long run. And of course, all the brokers I'm featuring today are fully regulated by the CFTC and NFA here in the US, so you can have complete peace of mind about their legitimacy. First up, we have Forex.com. This is a familiar and trustworthy name in the industry. What I really want to highlight here is their raw account. With this account, you can access super low spreads, potentially starting from 0.0 pips on major pairs like the EUR-USD. That's right, you heard that correctly. To get spreads that good, there's a commission, typically around $7 per 100,000 unit lot. You'll want to consider if this fits your trading volume. They offer their own platform, MT4, and importantly, the raw account works well with MT5. Quick heads up, there's an inactivity fee if the account isn't used for a year, and some withdrawal fees depending on the method. So, if you're an active trader looking to optimize your entry costs, Forex.com *S-Raw account is definitely worth checking out. Next is Interactive Brokers, or IBKR. This is a top choice for experienced traders and those dealing with larger volumes. IBKR provides access to interbank liquidity, meaning spreads can be incredibly tight. For example, around 0.1 pips on the EUR-USD, they use a transparent, tiered commission structure starting at very low rates, around 0.08 to 0.20 basis points, with a small minimum fee per order. Their Trader Workstation, TWS platform, is extremely powerful and professional. It might take a little time to get used to, but it's well worth the effort. Other perks. There are no inactivity fees for IBKR Pro accounts, and you usually get one free withdrawal per month. If you trade significant volume and are looking for the lowest possible trading costs, IBKR Pro is a name you can't ignore. And last on our list today is Oanda. This is a broker with a long history and one that many traders trust. Oanda also has a great option for those focused on low spreads. It's their core pricing model, often available through their Elite Trader program in the US. With this model, spreads for the EUR-USD can hover around 0.2 to 0.5 pips. This comes with a reasonable commission, around $5 per 100,000 unit lot. Oanda offers its own Oanda trade platform, MT4, MT5, and a big plus is the seamless integration with TradingView. Many of you will love this. Things to know. Like other brokers, there are overnight fees and an inactivity fee if the account has no trades after 12 months. Oanda offers a nice balance of low spreads, fair commissions, diverse platforms, and reliability. So, which is the best choice for you? Well, that really depends on your individual trading style and needs. Forex.com, raw. Great if you want near zero spreads and are comfortable with paying a commission. IBKR, Pro. The optimal choice for professional, high-volume traders who need direct access to interbank pricing. Oanda, Core. A fantastic combination of low spreads, fair commissions, and powerful, user-friendly platforms. One important tip: information on spreads and fees can change. Always check the latest details directly on the broker's official US websites. And remember, spreads can fluctuate depending on market conditions. I hope this information helps you find a suitable broker and save on costs in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to support me and get more valuable insights. Which broker are you currently using? What's your experience been like? Let me know in the comments below. Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.